And are your teeth getting more sensitive, brittle or yellow, no matter how well you brush? The problem isn't your toothbrush. It's a hidden mineral deficiency that's silently destroying your smile. Over time, our teeth lose essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Diet, stress, even tap water can strip away what your enamel needs to stay strong. Once enamel's gone, it doesn't grow back on its own. Acidic foods, sugary drinks, and aggressive brushing only speed up the process. And the sad truth, most toothpaste does to restore lost minerals. You're stuck managing damage instead of fixing it, but here's the good news. A growing number of people, especially veterans, are turning to a natural at-home tooth repair breakthrough that rebuilds enamel from within. It's called the Navy Tooth Repair Hack, and it's formulated to deliver the exact minerals your teeth are starving for, without dentists, drilling, or painful treatments. People are reporting stronger teeth, less sensitivity, whiter smile, even chipped teeth looking smoother after just a few weeks. If you're tired of temporary fixes and want to rebuild your teeth from the inside out, you need to check this out. Click the link in the description right now to discover how this simple daily mineral blend is helping people repair their smiles, naturally and affordably. Your toothbrush can't fix enamel loss, but this Navy hack might. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real dental fixes, and click the link before it's taken down.